accompanying table describes a random variable x, the numbers of adults in groups of 5 who reported sleepwalking, and we're going to complete parts A through D below. Now we want to be able to find the probability of getting exactly 4 sleepwalkers among 5 adults. Now a probability distribution is a description that gives a probability for each value of the random variable, and the given table to the right shows a probability distribution of the random variable x. We want to be able to identify the appropriate value of x, and again this represents exactly 4. So exactly 4, we're going to take a look at this table, and then what does the probability give us? Well, the probability is 0.039. So we're going to use this table to identify the probability of exactly 4. So the probability of exactly 4 gives us 0.039. Now in part B it says, find the probability of getting 4 or more sleepwalkers among 5 adults. Note that 4 or more is the same as at least 4. So that means we want to find the probability of 4 or more is equal to the probability of 4 plus the probability of 5, because that's how far it goes in the table. So the probability of getting exactly 4 sleepwalkers among 5 adults is the following. Well, we know that the probability of 4 is equal to 0.039. The probability of exactly 5 is 0.005. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add those probabilities. So adding them together, we're going to get 0.039 plus 0.05, which gives us 0.044. The probability of getting 4 or more sleepwalkers among 5 adults is 0.044. Now in part C it says, which probability is relevant for determining whether 4 is a significantly high number of sleepwalkers among 5 adults? The result from part A or the result from part B? Now note that X successes among N trials is a significantly high number of successes if the probability of X or more successes is 0.05 or less. And note that the probability in part A is for exactly 4 successes, whereas the probability in part B is for 4 or more successes. Now, since the probability of getting 4 or more sleepwalkers is the probability of the given or more extreme result, the result from part B is the relevant probability. Now in part D it says, is 4 a significantly high number of 4 sleepwalkers among 5 adults? Why or why not? And use 0.05 as the threshold for a significant event. Now note that the X successes among N trials is a significantly high number of successes if the probability of X or more successes is less than 0.05. Now recall that the probability of 4 or more equals 0.044. We can see that 0.044 is less than 0.05, so we would say yes, since the appropriate probability of 0.044 is less than 0.05, it is a significantly high number.